For a nuno felted silk scarf, we generally need about 40 centimeters in width. So in the new extra wide silk chiffon fabric, which is 140 in its width, we're going to offer you 0.8 of a meter. So of this 0.8 of a meter, we want to then cut a 40 centimeter piece. Okay. And we'll snip it and rip it. And I always cut the last little bit of selvage edge. So now we have two pieces which are 40 centimeters wide, and they become 140 long. We put them together, you're going to have a 40 centimeter scarf, which is 2.8 now in length. So now we have our two pieces, which are 40 centimeters wide, and each piece is 1.4 meters long. We're going to remove the selvage because this is going to be joined together and it will fall at the back of your neck. To do that, we're going to snip each selvage and rip it off. I like to cut that last little bit so it doesn't stretch the fabric. Okay, so to join these two pieces of fabric, we're going to lay a small amount of wool down this edge. Doesn't take much. This will marry the two pieces together. Will overlap about 1 centimeter, maybe a bit more. And if you're feeling a bit insecure, you can run a running stitch down this just as an interim until the wool's fully felted. But basically now we're ready to lay out our design and felt our scarf. So when we've finished laying out our design and we've fully fulled our scarf, it will come down to about 1.4 meters in length and be a really nice width and length to wear.